Welcome to Mastering Faxing with Streams. We'll cover everything you need to know on sending both individual and group faxes efficiently. Before we start, here are some prerequisites. Only PDF files can be faxed. The faxes need to be in standard letter or A4 size, and the file size should not exceed 18 megabytes. With that being said, let's jump right in. Alright, so now I'm in my Streams application. To send an individual fax, we'll navigate to the Recent tab and click on our fax filter. We'll click on the plus button corresponding to my personal fax. This will open the Send a Fax prompt. And the prompt will enter a recipient's fax number. The from number is selected by default, but you can choose a different number if you have multiple fax DIDs assigned. If you want to include a cover page, select the checkbox and fill in the optional details such as company name, from, RE, and the message. We'll click on Choose File to browse and select the file you want to send out. Once selected, click on Send Fax. After clicking Send Fax, you'll see the uploading status in the queued section. Once the fax is sent, it will move to the disposition section with the status of sent, received, cancelled, or failed. You can resend faxes from this section if needed. And there we go. Now, to send a group fax, go to the Individual Fax group section. We're still here. And we'll select the fax group you want to send the fax from. We'll click on the plus button next to the fax group in question. Keep in mind, this button will appear only if you have the send privilege. From here, mechanics are pretty much the same to sending out individual faxes. We'll enter a recipient's fax number and choose the preferred from number if multiple DIDs are assigned. To include a cover page, select the checkbox and fill in the necessary details. Then, choose the file you want to fax, and we'll click on Send Fax. It's pretty much the same here. The uploading status will be displayed, and the fax will appear in the queued section with options to download, forward, or cancel. Once sent, the fax will move to the disposition section, where you can see the status and resend if necessary. You can also send faxes via email. Make sure your email ID is registered. To send a fax from a group, we'll use the format fax number dash group name at accountname.streams.us. Now for individual faxes, we'll use the format fax number at accountname.streams.us. The body of the email will be the cover page, and the attachment will be sent as the fax itself. Remember, only PDF files in standard letter or A4 size, not exceeding 18 megabytes, can be faxed. And that's it. You now know how to send individual and group faxes, as well as how to send faxes via email using the Streams application. Thanks for watching.